I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about a description of the process of graphing a parabola by hand. Now, there's a few steps in graphing a parabola, but let's talk about the most important part of the parabola, and that is the vertex. Now, the vertex is the tip of the parabola. Now, depending on what kind of form it is, polynomial form or in standard form, you need the x and the y coordinates of the vertex. Now, typically the x coordinate of the vertex is called h, the y coordinate is also called k. Now, depending on the form that you have, to find the x coordinate of the vertex, it's also negative b over 2a if you have it in polynomial form, or for the y coordinates, it's f of negative b over 2a. Now, the vertex is the most important part because you get to figure out where the tip of the parabola is, if it's the lowest point or the highest point, depending on the situation. Now, you also know that a parabola either opens up or opens down. That's another part of the parabola that you really want to think about. Now, if the parabola opens up, then the coefficient a is going to be positive, and if it opens down, then the a is going to be negative. Now, something else that you want to consider is the intercepts. A parabola may have x-intercepts. Now, to find the x-intercepts, you let y equals to 0. Now, sometimes parabolas have them, sometimes parabolas do not, depending on the structure of the parabola. And once in a while, a parabola may also have the y-intercept. Now, to find the y-intercept, you let x equals to 0. Now, once you find the vertex, once you find the x-intercept, and once you find the y-intercept, if it exists, and once you know how the parabola opens up or down, you pretty much have the makings of a parabola. So, I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's a description of the process of graphing a parabola by hand.